that shit.
So what was your initial thoughts on that?
Thank God you were in the front because, yeah.
Bro, and so remember, this is not a race. Like, drive at your skill level. Don't feel pressure to push any harder than you need to.
I mean, I feel comfortable keeping up with you, but there were some of them I was like, you know what? I'll let him just get it.
Matt, so tell the viewers where we're at and what we're doing.
We're at Hahntennjoch Pass. I don't even know if I pronounced it right. Hold on, I gotta land this thing before it crashes. One momento.
So he's flying his drone up there. Me neither. Doesn't even matter.
I don't know, man. I think they have a lot of problems with like random. What's going on, man?
What's up? How's everything going? What's your name?
Matt.
Matt. Albert.
Nice to meet you, Albert. Like Germans, like I'll stop, and they're like pedestrians. I'm like, go ahead, and they're like, go. I'm like, I'm stopping for you. Like they're mad that I'm stopping.
Yeah.
Like, you should go, because I'm wasting their time. Yeah, it's. I've been getting that lately. I'm like, I guess I don't stop for them at crosswalks.
Okay. So back to the sauce.
Okay.
So where are we at?
We're at Hahntennjoch Pass, Austria, to drive this pass that's been named one of the best driving roads in Europe. It's arguable though. There's so many passes, but this is definitely one of them. Grossglockner's another one, but we are going to explore this one. I drove in. It's fucking badass.
Bro.
I will say this though. You just got
more badass than that road.
That was intense, right? That going through there.
That was fun.
That was intense. This is beautiful. Intense as well.
Okay.
But you probably had less traffic there than you will here, because I had like no traffic.
We had no traffic, bro. Like the off camber, you're coming over crest. Like I know you know, bro. I know you know that one crest that came over, and it was kind of like
I was gonna wait for you, crest out. I was like, all right.
I can't see what's going on, but we're gonna find out.
I was like, yo, turn left, like.
It was on the other side. Here we
bro.
go.
When I tell you, like, I was like rethinking my whole life, waking up this early this morning to come here. But as soon as we hit the first set of roads, I was like, yo, this is it, bro.
Dude, this is life.
Say
man.
less.
This is life. This is living.
Yeah.
You gotta go and explore and go on an adventure, clear your head, and engage yourself. And I think this is a good way. And it's pretty awesome to have this kind of company there.
That's true, man. As y'all already saw Albert from behind, we got the Indy Miata. God, this thing looks so good, man. God, especially with the top back. Bro, you look like that you about to go but just fuck up somebody up on the pass, bro. Like you look like that dude that puts on his driving gloves super slow, like.
We should do a cinematic.
And so these are the guys you gotta worry about right here, because these be the fastest ones, using every ounce of the car's potential. All right, y'all, so about to do our first pass up the mountain. Should be a pretty good time. Definitely should be a pretty good time. Matt is in front. Albert is in the back. So right now, we're just trying to create a little bit of space. And so we're just waiting. But yeah, man, it should be really dope. first go around was pretty fun. Fortunately, we had a lady hold us up for a good portion of the road. One of the best sections, honestly, with like a bunch of consecutive hairpins. Like it felt like real life initial D. But the Miata was just, you know, its weight advantage definitely showed, because it was able to just change direction so much quicker than I could, and turn a tighter radius corners without just going in a full-blown understeer or oversteer like my car was. So it's pretty dope. Man. And then Albert got lost in the sauce. He got behind this one car that wouldn't let him pass, so he got lost for a bit. But yeah, man, we're back. About to go have a meal, but man, it's a beautiful day, beautiful road, definitely worth the drive.
Give that view.
Look at that, man. So we're home. So Matt booked us a super dope accommodation. Apparently it comes with 3 blind chicks included in the package. They haven't arrived yet, so we're still waiting for that. But it does have this sick ass parking right here. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little tour of the spot, but it's really dope, man. So
you should just talk from my channel.
And so we're gonna like grab all this stuff and we're gonna go.
You just guys out now.
All right, y'all. Let me give y'all the quick tour, so you know with all of and just so you know what all of your YouTube views are buying out here. So we got the kitchen area, got the living room area. I think that's where the blondes are supposed to pop up at. We're gonna hold for that.
I got second angle on you. Go ahead.
Oh, cool. And then we got upstairs. You know, we got all our glasses and whatnot right there. Real big baller stuff. I just want you to know. I even got a cameraman now.
Yeah, YouTube dollars hiring a cameraman for my salary.
And so my cameraman has more subs than me, so I'm not sure how that works. And so this is the first bedroom here. And then we just got this comfy ass chair right here. I'm gonna try it.
Oh man, cool. Okay.
Bro, it's hella comfy. So, and then moving here, we got a second bedroom. And then we got the bathroom and the shower area. Bro, look at that shower. So yeah, man, mad dope though, man. So, yeah, so what we about to do, Matt?
I'd like to have a Truly's.
Okay.
Or 2.
Yeah.
Unpack, and at sunset, or we're gonna prepare ourselves to go back to the pass right before sunset, so we can take the pass when no one's there. And get
maybe we should get gas first.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
That's why we should brainstorm.
Cool. High five.
Yeah. Cheers, bro.
Cheers. All right, y'all. So we're about to go for a night run right quick. God damn, his car is too loud. But yeah, so we're about to go for a night run right quick, about to do another pass. And so the pass should be a lot clearer now, so super duper stoked. So yeah, man. I'll see you guys on the pass. So we just had like a super epic run on the pass. I was following Matt, as you guys saw, man. It was like really, really, really dope. Like mad initial D vibes, but Matt doesn't have enough fuel to make it to the SO. Like people in the military get like a discount on fuel, like here in Europe, but it's only at a certain station. So he doesn't have enough fuel to get there, so he's gonna put a little bit of fuel. So we're on the way there now. The vet really did well, man. The vet really did well. She carried her weight. She definitely carried her weight, man.
It was amazing being chased by you. Honestly, it was an honor, and I'm not just playing around exaggerating. Let me tell you what normally happens. All these years I've been driving, I have to chase my friends for any of us to have footage. If they chase me, nobody has any footage of anyone. So this will be the first time I ever have footage of me killing it.
Yeah,
like, getting it.
That's dope.
Like I don't have footage of me getting it. Like it doesn't exist
Yeah.
anywhere.
That's
footage of
dope,
me
man.
Cruising, but not
Yeah.
getting it. Like so, this is the first, and like the lights, the color, like it's gonna look good.
It's gonna look good for sure. Yeah.
And I'll get to analyze my own driving and like what the car looks like, how it behaves. You know?
Yeah.
There was some moments. We had some.
Bro, those tunnels were, I think the
Beautiful.
tunnels were the highlight for me. Just that transition, you can hear like the sound like echoing through the tunnels and like the different, I mean, it's just like the acoustics were amazing.
Yeah,
like coming in.
The resters, the sensory overload, you know, you're
Yeah.
like driving and like all the lights come on, you know, all of a sudden
Yeah.
like, all the lights are on, and then you're like, whoa,
Yeah,
green, red,
yeah,
orange, like
yeah.
and your lights, and
I just had to readjust. Like one of the biggest things for me, and you agree with
I
me.
hope the camera caught it. So,
Oh no.
sorry.
No, you're good. But like one of the things like we said was it felt like an outer body, experience. Like it was just like a flow, you know. Man, it felt like you knew it was special in the moment and that it was happening. Like
it felt like it.
Yeah.
Not just in the moment.
yeah,
It's weird that you're aware, like we are aware that it's probably not gonna happen.
yeah,
Again.
yeah,
And like those events in that order. Like,
yeah.
It's not gonna happen again for a long, long time.
Facts. And shout out to the people that were in the way that got out of the way.
yeah, you're the real ones.
You're the real ones. I swear, man, these cars look so out of place, but they look so dope. Oh. Okay, so fuel has been gotten. Had a nice little run on the way back. You didn't record anything though, right? On the way back?
On the way here?
Yeah. No?
A little bit.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Killing fucking batteries.
Oh, man. Old girl is holding up pretty well. I mean, we're not beating on her, but you know. So yeah, time for some food. Then figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. So catch y'all tomorrow. Staying on. All right, y'all. So ended up coming home. We were gonna go to Italy. It was like 3 hours away, literally, and drive the Stelvio Pass, which I'm sure a lot of people know, like one of the most famous driving roads in the world. But unfortunately, the weather was pretty trash. So we ended up waking up, just eating some food and driving back home. But the good news is the weather at the Nürburgring is excellent. Somebody calling me? But the weather at the Nürburgring is excellent. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go ahead and get up and hit the Nürburgring. So expect that video soon. Me and Matt, I think we should drive each other cars. I think we should drive each other cars. So yeah, expect that, but take it easy. I'm out. Pure passion. For me, it's about the feel you get behind the wheel. Balancing between over and understeer.